Hey guys, Cody Van Lannen at VL Performance. Here we have our 2007 BMW 335i, our shop vehicle. We're going to run you guys through the process of walnut blasting. We are going to be throwing a port injection kit on here. We had to pull the intake manifold. And upon further investigation, the back of our valves are filthy. So stay tuned guys, I'll show you how it's done. We get asked a lot, why walnut blasting? Well, I'll give you a little bit of technical information on it, pros versus cons on that. Mid-2000s, not only BMW, but a lot of manufacturers went to a DI. That means direct injection. You're directly injecting fuel into the combustion chamber, whereas before was port injection, which injected intake runner behind the intake valve. It's all great for emissions. It's all great for get the vehicle probably out of the warranty, but after that, there's issues with gum buildup, carbon buildup, faulty PCV systems going on. So with that, drivability issues, you got fuel trim issues, and you don't have the benefit of port anymore. So what we do, pull the intake manifold off, investigate. Note alert on our 2007 BMW, super gross, super gunky, it needs to be done. So I'm gonna go through just a little bit of a process of the tools used for this to kind of better familiar you guys what you're paying for on this service. So the main tool is the vacuum adapter port, which allows the walnut nozzle to kind of fix in there. So basically you run shop air here, turn the vacuum on, you kind of wiggle this around until you break it up, pull it out, kind of keep checking it. And we've also used like a pre and post carbon brush to kind of break it up a little bit more. So we're probably gonna go ahead and give you guys some before and after pictures on this. Well, that wraps up walnut blasting on our shop 2007 BMW, guys. If you're interested in this service, give us a call at 920-358-7570. Check us out on Facebook. We have Facebook Manager Messenger set up there, and you can hit us up on www.vlperformance.com. Thanks.